Today I'm installing this new front splitter for my C8 Corvette. I got this on Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive. Now I went with the gloss black factory. The front splitter comes in a matte black, but I decided to go with the gloss black. I just feel like it's gonna blend in a little better. So it's a 3-piece just like the factory, and installation is relatively really easy. Just have to remove these screws underneath and use those to attach this. So here we go. So these are all the screws that need to get removed. They're a T10, and as you can see, there's numerous screws to remove. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I've got this first piece installed, and so far I'm really liking it. Fitment is perfect. Like, those holes line up with the factory perfectly. It's a really nice change. Alright, yeah, I can't wait to put on the rest of it. But so far, very impressed with the quality of these splitters. So here's the finished look of the final product, and I gotta say I'm very impressed with the quality and fitments of these splitters that I got. Everything lined up perfectly, and this looks like it just came right from the factory. So if you come really close, you can see the difference in the color. So mine's a carbon black, which has this kind of a metallic flake, and this one is a gloss black. But I don't regret getting the gloss black, because the only time you can really tell the difference is when you're like really up close. And I just think the gloss black just kind of, to me, it looks, I don't know, just looks cleaner than matte black. I'll go ahead and pull her out onto the driveway. That way you guys can take a closer look. This modification literally took me just 20 minutes and makes a huge difference. Super easy, relatively cheap, and it makes a big difference in how the front of this car looks, and I absolutely love it. Alright, here's another look underneath. I'd say you probably lose about 2 inches of ground clearance, but honestly guys, I think it's totally worth it. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. If you're wondering why I have the C8 lifted up off the ground, that's because I'm planning to change a DCT filter on the weekend and top up the transmission fluid. And another modification that I'm planning to do shortly is install these on the rear bumper. So these are diffuser fins, and they basically attach kind of like this. And so there's 4 of them that go in the back, and I think it's gonna give this rear end a nice aggressive look. I think it's gonna look really good. I just find this area here looks kind of plain, but this I think is gonna look really nice. So I'll do a video on that when I get to it, guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.